Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video today it's all about the Logitech MK540. Well, this kind of keyboard is something which is so awesome. Now for further talking, this is something which is so bigger. So what I have today, it's the Logitech, as you can see guys, it's MK540. It's something which is so awesome about this keyboard. As you know guys, I love Logitech products and they're just amazing when it comes to their products. So for further ado, let us just unbox it and see what's packed in inside and see the ingredients out of it. I forgot to pick up my knife, so this is good. You can see we're having the keyboard here, this one, just like that. Voila, like how I said. So I'm gonna keep it aside and see if there's anything inside. So there's actually, I forgot the small kind of USB which we can dongle it. The unifier, is it called the unifier? Jumping out to the keyboard, how it is, it's really kind of great, but let me just remove that. Okay, we're getting some paperwork, I don't have time to read that, sorry Logitech for that. But what's surprising me, it's the keyboard, how it is, the chimney buttons. I can call them chimney, a little bit chimney. They're not like butterfly keyboard of the Mac, but these are more mechanical. So if I just, you can hear that, they're like more mechanical. So they're like a mechanical keyboard or something like that, I guess so. So it's something which is so awesome. Something else, we're gonna just opening here at the back and see what's happening. So we are having a battery. Is it Duracell? Yes, not for sale. So these are the batteries which you can get throughout the keyboard which it comes with it. They're coming with the stock batteries, which I guess it's not bad. It's awesome still. Something else which surprised me is these legs. You see this? There's one leg and second leg, which there are two of them, which you can put it on your table. So if you keep it on your table, you can extend the legs, I guess. You just pop it up here, you extend it here, then, actually you can just have a mini leg, like this one, just a mini leg. First thing first, the mini leg. Then if you want to extend the legs, you can just pop it up here and you can have a bigger extender, which is actually great. Something else is the LED indication. So if you just pop it up here, you can see it's just indicating that you need to connect. What kind of stuff is the mouse? I guess this is the combo coming with the mouse, which is something which is so awesome. You see this mouse, the thing about this mouse is just the grip is bigger. It's actually bigger. It's actually having some rubber somewhere here. So this is actually 100% rubber, which is something which is so great. The material out of it, it looks amazing. I can give you a simple comparison with this kind of Logitech mouse. Actually this model is called M171. It's actually plastic, so there's no any actual rubber. You can see the difference here. I've been using it for a while on my machine here, the bigger one, instead of the laptop one. So I think this is something which is so great. Popping it up is something which is so awesome. You've been greeted with another battery of Duracell. You can remove this for safety of the battery, throw it away, return the battery back. There's an indication of the mouse somewhere here, so as you can see what's happening, which is quite important. So this is how it stays on the desk if you have a desk or something like that. So this is how it stays. It sticks there good. You can see how much your hand is resting, how much it is, because this is the palm rest which can help you out. This is like a sticker which protects it. I think I can leave it up like that. So this is the button, our button. So I'm gonna just use this dongle to just dongle it up on the USB hub somewhere there. Okay, now this mouse which I had, I'm gonna just turn it off since I'm not using it anymore, and I'm gonna give away this mouse. You can see guys, right now our combination of everything is ready. We have our mouse here, we're having our keyboard ready, and it's something which is so great. You can see how much it is. You can just minimize that. You can see the functionality, how it is. It's awesome how much the keyboard it is. You can even go to the music side or Spotify. If I open up the Spotify and play some music, and this is our music on Spotify. So if I'm like extending on the music side, and if I just click this functionality button here, there's kind of like this button here. So if I next, it's a really convenience having these buttons. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing unboxing. Actually, I was like mashing up things. So as I said, guys, I'm gonna give away the greatest keyboard which I had. This keyboard I'm gonna give to one of you guys, and the combo of the mouse still. So I'm gonna give it to you guys, so as you can just using it up. It's so amazing keyboard, it get things on the go. It's really amazing. So that's what's up. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And last but not least, don't do the same mistake which I actually did. It's damn, what's that? That's like a shame. Yeah, that's what's up. I was like, I don't know what I was doing, but that's what's up. I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos, peace. I'm just like, damn. Yeah, guys, that's what's up. I hope you enjoyed on this. So yeah, guys, that's what's up. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing unboxing. How the keyboard works, the MK540.